This video is to demonstrate how to create a 3D text. First, open the Blender software. Right-click on the cube that is already present. Press Delete button on the keyboard and press Enter to make the selection. First, we are going to insert the text. To insert the text, select combination keys such as Shift plus A. Select text, orientate the text on the x-axis at 90 degrees. Select the R keyboard. Select the X key on the keyboard. Type in 90 degree. Press enter. To edit the text, the following steps can be followed. Select the tab key, backspace to delete the text. Enter the text you want to insert. Select tab key to stop editing text. You can orientate your viewing in the following way. Hold down the scroll button on the mouse to rotate view. Hold down the scroll button on your mouse while holding down the shift key to move your view to left or right. Select the G key to make to move the text where you want to. Press enter to release the text. This can also be applied if you want to move an object. Scroll up or down on your mouse to zoom in and out. Move your tools panel so that you can see it better. Select the text button. Under geometry, change the values as follows: depth to 0.5, extrude 0.15, resolution to 3. Zoom out so that you can see the whole grid. Select S on the keyboard to scale your text to the size you want to. Scroll down on the toolbar to your left side and select line spacing. Always keep the text centered on the grid. Press the arrow next to line spacing to add spaces. The next step is to create a flow. To create a flow, position the flow to the middle of the screen. Shift plus A, then select mesh and then plane. Type S on your keyboard to select plane to the size of the grid. Type G to position the plane to the grid. Select zoom out so that you can see the whole thing you have created. Type S to scale and scale down just a bigger than the size of the grid. You may need to zoom in the scrolling up. Hit enter to select and stop scaling. Camera view to position the camera to the view you want. Press 0 to look through the camera. R to rotate the camera. G to move the camera. You can also hold and move the X, Y, and Z axis to move the camera along the axis. Press N on the keypad. Select lock camera to view. Press N on the keypad again. To render, select render from the right hand side toolbar. Select the change the output, change directory to where you have to save your file. Press select where you selected. The rendered image is the image that you have created using the 3D text.